What's up guys, Ryan here. Today we're going to go over the 10th month of my passive income journey, which was January 2018. So my profits were spearheaded by Amazon FBA that brought in $3,285 of profit, followed by Amazon merch with $1,700 of profit, and then Dropshipped Print-on-Demand at $266, which fell off a bit from the big Q4 sales spike. So let's get into the numbers. All right, so my Amazon FBA numbers were definitely not as good as they were in December, but that's to be expected. You know, after that big fourth quarter holiday sales rush, you tend to see a lot of returns in January. So I had $3,285 of profit. That factors in any returns, by the way. And I did that on $26,883 of sales. That comes out to a 12% margin, which is not a great margin. But again, if you remember my December 2017 income report, I just launched an entire new brand with 7 new SKUs. So the low margins to be expected because those new SKUs are not going to be, you're lucky if a new SKU is profitable right out of the door. And I was fortunate that a lot of mine were, not all of them, but definitely some of them were. And that's a testament to just good marketing and good listings being put together because 5 of those 7 SKUs were heavy, oversized units. So any returns at all on those was like $20 to $30 shipping. So the fact that I was able to sell a couple of those profitable right out of the gate was a big deal. Amazon merch was a big story this month. That's because they changed the royalty structure so that they kept a larger margin on every sale. Now, my favorite price point to sell shirts at is $19.99. So in the past, before the change, you made $7.19 on a sale at $19.99. After the change, you made $5.38 on a sale at $19.99. So this was reflected in my average royalty of $4.72. Just 1 month earlier, my average royalty was $5.30. That's quite a big drop off there. That being said, I did 360 shirt sales in the month of January. I believe that is net sales, by the way. You can still see that there were 25 cancellations, $6,801 in revenue for a $1,701 royalty. That's a big drop off from the month before where I almost clipped $4,000 in royalties. But again, January following the holidays, I'll take it. Dropshipped Print-on-Demand, I did 39 sales on Amazon, 1 on eBay, 5 on Etsy. So my Amazon sales were largely spearheaded by some of those FBA print-on-demand SKUs that I still had in stock. Some of them actually sold out almost immediately in December because they were just very well-timed, well thought out, capitalizing on the news cycle at the time, and they were a hit. So I reordered some of those. But in other cases, they were still selling steadily, even outside of the fourth quarter sales rush. What these numbers say to me while I look at them, and I record this video in 2019 looking back on January of 2018, is that I should have invested more time in Etsy. I didn't have hardly any shirts uploaded for sale on Etsy. I don't usually sell mugs on Etsy. I just haven't had a lot of success with that. So when you see my Etsy numbers, it's mainly shirts, by the way. 5 sales on Etsy is not nearly enough. I mean, I'm recording this a year later, and now I understand just what a great opportunity Etsy really is. But back then, I didn't have anybody really telling me to double down on Etsy. I wish I had somebody, some podcast or some blog or whatever it is, some mentor, really helping me understand the potential in Etsy. So anyways, learned that one the hard way. Eventually, I figured it out. And so yeah, $266, 60 cents of profit. I'll take that. So that just about does it for the January 2018 passive income report. Again, this was the 10th month of my journey and I made $5,408.07 of passive income profits on the month. It was spearheaded by Amazon FBA, where I mentioned I had just launched 7 new FBA SKUs the month before, so I was still ramping those up. Amazon merch, the royalty change really affected my bottom line, but I was still able to make $1,701 in royalties. So Dropshipped Print-on-Demand, the profits were really lagging behind, and it's because I didn't fully understand what an opportunity Etsy presented. I needed to upload more products to Etsy, and I would eventually figure it out. Also, Amazon, I really needed to expand my product offerings beyond just coffee mugs. So again, something I'd figure out down the line, but ultimately, January 2018 was a great month, and I couldn't be happier that things were still trending in the right direction. And that does it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content on how to run your Amazon FBA, Amazon merch, or dropshipped print-on-demand business. If you have any feedback or questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Speaking of reaching out to me, please consider joining my Facebook group, link in the description, or join the mailing list at ryanhogue.com And again, please subscribe to that YouTube channel where I'll be cranking out great content for you as often as possible. I'll see you at the next one.
Wherever she goes, I go, we roll, we go, flying over cities down to Rio. It's real, love that I feel. Oh, nothing lasts forever, but I'm down for the minute, so just chill.